Super Protocol is an AI cloud and a marketplace built on the principles of decentralization, confidentiality, and self-sovereignty. The platform connects AI model developers and owners of computing hardware with their clients. It is suitable for any kind of workload, but has a specific focus on AI models, agents, and services. The Super AI Marketplace already offers thousands of models. You can also upload and deploy your own. Or you can become a provider and monetize your products and services by offering them to other users. But Super Protocol isn't a traditional cloud computing platform. Three key features distinguish Super: decentralization, confidentiality, and verifiability. The foundation of the Super Protocol's architecture is a decentralized network. The platform utilizes the OPP BNB blockchain, a high-performance Layer 2 solution for the BNB smart chain. All interactions and financial settlements between participants are handled openly and automatically by smart contracts, self-executed, transparent, and immutable programs stored on the blockchain. There is no central authority, no single point of failure, and no hidden control mechanisms. The blockchain provides orchestration, but computations happen off-chain. The data remains protected thanks to the other cornerstone of the platform: confidential computing. This technology protects data by executing it in secure, isolated areas of the CPU and GPU called trusted execution environments. In practical terms, this means that models from the marketplace can be leased but not downloaded. They remain private even when used, and the owners retain complete control. And this works both ways. End users' interactions with the model remain private. No one else has access, not even the model developer, the Super Protocol team, or the owner of the computing hardware. This enables a wide range of usage scenarios, from monetizing proprietary models to confidential data collaborations. But how can you be sure that your data is indeed protected? Super Protocol addressed this issue by developing its unique certification system. It performs automatic remote attestation of the entire trusted setup before any execution begins. Additionally, platform components are gradually made open source to facilitate auditability and verifiability. In Super Protocol, trust is placed in confidential computing and open source code, not in promises. Everything is verified algorithmically and cryptographically, without human intervention. Let's take a closer look at a simple deployment of an AI model. This scenario involves three participants: a provider of an AI model, an owner of confidential compute, and their client, an AI developer who wants to launch a commercial AI agent service. The model provider has already uploaded their pre-trained model to Super Protocol. The model was automatically encrypted during upload and stored in a decentralized file storage. Further, the model provider created an open listing on the marketplace to lease the model. In the Super Protocol terms, such a listing is called an offer. They set up the price and pricing conditions for leasing the model: fixed, per hour, or simply free. The second participant, the confidential compute provider, set up the hardware, launched a confidential virtual machine inside a trusted execution environment, and created a compute offer on the marketplace. Finally, the client selects the model and creates an order to lease and deploy it. A suitable compute can be selected automatically or manually. The client places the order to lease the model and compute, and pays the respective providers for using their offers. This is how it looks in practice from the client's perspective. First, let's select a model offer on the marketplace and click Deploy. The system automatically adds other necessary components to the order, including the compute offer. We can make changes and adjust settings. Once everything is ready, we place the order by clicking Pay Now. When the order is placed, special software components located in the confidential virtual machine download the model, decrypt it, verify the order, and execute the workload. When the model is deployed, the system creates a private access link to the model web UI or API. Here is the access link for the order we created earlier. Since we deployed the model in web UI mode, its user interface is directly available. If the model is deployed in API mode, the AI developer who placed the order may use the access link in their app to provide end users with a confidential AI service. Because the execution happens inside a trusted execution environment, the model is protected. No one can view or download the model files. Not the client, not the server owner, and not the Super Protocol team. Confidential computing equally protects end users' data. making it unavailable to others, including the client themselves. This was just one example of how the platform delivers a truly confidential AI. In Super Protocol, we believe in our core principles: decentralization instead of a single authority, self-sovereignty instead of third-party control, verifiability instead of blind trust. Super Protocol, confidential and verifiable by design.